Figma designs to Shopify. So hello there and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can connect Figma website designs to your Shopify store. So let's get started. First of all, you have to go and log into your Shopify admin dashboard. And after logging into your admin dashboard, you just have to simply tap onto these app sections over here. Simply search for apps. Okay, search for apps, and from here you can see all recommended apps. So after tapping onto this section, you can see this Shopify App Store option. Simply tap onto Shopify App Store, and here at the search bar, simply search for instant, and then you will be able to see this page or software. You can say instant section and page builder. Simply tap onto it. Then as you can see, I already have downloaded this one, instant section and page builder. You will see an option for install over here where mine is saying or showing open. Just tap install and complete the installation process, and after completing the installation process you have to open the app. So simply open up the app and you have to wait until the page loads completely. So let the page load and see what happens. So as you can see, my page is being loaded. Maybe I have some internet issues, that's why it's taking too long. Then you just have to head over to Figma. Simply head over to Figma and then log into your Figma account. From here you have to tap on to get started for free. For now I'm gonna using my Gmail address. So you have to wait until the login process is completed, and there we go, your my Figma app or software has been loaded. Now you have to enter your name, your username, then you have to continue. But for now I'm gonna continue with my Gmail address because this will make my process much more easier than before. Like it will take a lot of less time. So let's wait until it is loaded. So you have to wait until the page is loaded, and where you're in the Figma, let's enter some. Okay, so let's continue. So Figma will ask you some basic questions. You have to answer those questions. If you wish to, you have to answer them. I'm gonna skip this part. So I'm gonna answer these questions. Now we are gonna go now let's finish it up. So let's see how it turns out. So there is our product. Now let's say you want to share it. Okay, let's tap on to get started and let's choose a random template from over here. So I'm just going to choose a template, and then you have to tap on to share, and then you can copy the link from here. Also you can right click on it, you can tap onto these plugins, simply tap onto these plugins and tap onto manage plugins, and from there you just simply have to search for Figma to Shopify, and then you'll be able to see the app. Okay, let's just search for instant section all. Let's tap onto all. So you just have to Figma to Shopify, and you'll be able to see this app over here, and make sure that you have been logged into your account with the account you have used to log into this site, this Gmail. Like as you can see, I have logged in using this Gmail, so I have to log in to here with the same Gmail from there. So I have to tap on to manage account. Let me just go. Let's wait until the page is loaded. Okay, let's just sign out from here. So let's just sign out over from here, and let me copy this Gmail address. So make sure that you are logged into both apps or softwares using the same Gmail address. So just do that, and then you have to come over here, search for the for Figma to Shopify, and then you'll be able to look at this app over here. As you can see, instant section and page builder, and then you'll be able to connect it. So as you can see, my loading page is taking a lot of time, but you can do that like that. So now you have to continue with Google. So let's log in. Let's wait until the page is loaded. So there we go, almost we are being logged into instant landing page builder and section. And then you just have to go to Figma and then search for the plugins to instant section, or just search for Shopify to Figma, like search for Shopify. And then you have to search it up. So let's see. Okay, so it is taking a lot of time right now. So you have to choose it up over here. I'm going to show you practically, so you have to wait, or you can just fast forward this video to make the process shorter. So that was pretty much it. This is how you can do that. You can also get the embed code and you can paste it over here. And that was pretty much it about this video. So if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and let me know that if you want a more described video on this. So wait.
You'll see this instant page builder app. You'll see that the design is not realistic. That'll teach you everything about auto layout. Got this warning message that says that we aren't using Figma auto layout. You'll stick Figma. What is this? People here scared. Multiple Figma, then go to plugins, then go to manage plugins. Here, search for Figma-to-Shopify, and you'll see this plugin here. When you click on it, you'll be able to copy this design. You only need to copy this frame, and then it will copy all the layers from this frame. Paste your Figma design here. And within a few seconds, the entire design will be copied here.
So from over here, you can see this Figma to Shopify from plugins. If you search it over to plugins, so from over here, you can search up for Figma to Shopify. And so from plugins, as I just showed you, from plugins, you just have to search up for Figma to Shopify, and then tap onto manage plugins and search for Figma to Shopify. And then after tapping onto this, you'll see this option, copy frame. You just have to copy the frame, and then you have to paste it over this side. Okay, you just have to paste it over this side. And okay, let me show you. Let's skip these parts, and then you just have to write it over here. It's taking a lot of time. So you can connect it with Shopify from here, and you can also do this later. So I'm going to tap onto I'll do this later, and then I'm going to just copy the frame from here, like here. Also, you can just copy the embed code from here and then paste it over this side. And then there we go. Now then you have to just connect with Shopify. So this is how you can do it. So as my instant page is loading a lot of time, just do it as I just explain it to you. So goodbye, see you on another video.